Do you want to become a Master of Mechanical Engineering? KSU has a master's program in mechanical engineering available for you to take online. Mechanics make our world run. You already have the skills, why not become a Master of Mechanics and help companies worldwide? You will have opportunities to work in aerospace, biomedical, manufacturing, and robotic industries. This is a 30 credit hour degree and involves 8 required courses involving major areas of mechanical engineering: solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics, design, manufacturing, dynamics and vibrations, and computational mechanics. Kennesaw State University's Mechanical Engineering program is rated first in Best Value for Masters in Engineering Programs for 2017 by AffordableColleges.com, 9th in Best Online Colleges for 2017, and 13th in Best Online Engineering Degrees for Affordable Colleges Online. This master's degree will prepare you for the following careers: aerospace engineer, automotive engineer, contract and construction, HVAC and mechanical engineer, control and instrumentation engineer, biomedical engineer, energy engineer, manufacturing engineer, robotics engineer, thermal systems engineer, maintenance engineer, mechanical engineer, nuclear engineer, and more. For more information, visit engineering.kennesaw.edu.